Oh, that's excellent actually. We have started using these OTT, or what they stand for as over the top media, also known as video on demand, right? And we've been using these for so many years, and I actually also was, have been using it for so many years. And now that I'm actually in this particular field, I realize how and why, and do they actually do a few things that they actually do. Let me give an example of using AI in OTT. So if you go to Amazon Prime, if you're looking at the Prime Video, etc., when you pause that particular video, on the left hand side there is a pane that actually, a window pane that actually comes in, wherein it tells you about the various casts, the cast of that particular show. Now, if you think about it, it's pretty simple, right? All you have to do is just pick out the whole of the cast of that particular show and just display it there, right? That doesn't require any AI. That just requires you to just pick up the database either from IMDb or your backend database and just paste it there, right? But that's not how it's happening right now. If you notice, the Amazon Prime Video, wherever you pause, it actually shows you the cast of that particular frame. How it does is that it does facial recognition using the AI algorithms that have been put into place, then extract that particular information and then show it to you on that particular window pane. And that's exactly where AI comes into place. The other example of AI is the subtitles. Those subtitles, and not the subtitles which actually come as a part of the script. No, these are the subtitles which are generated by the artificial intelligence algorithms in order to give you more perspective. It's not, and when I say subtitles, I mean the translations, right? So let's say you have a Hindi to English translation or English to Hindi translations. If you just use a Google Translator just normally as is, it will just, it'll just spoil the whole of the experience. The AI comes into place wherein it will keep the experience as well, while giving you a gist of what that particular situation is going on as subtitles. That's where AI comes into place. These are a couple of examples of how Prime uses it, and there are numerous other examples.